Welcome to our IMA channel King. Today topic Inter first year Maths topic basic formulas. Quick revision for examinations. Straight lines. Slope m is equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope intercept form y is equal mx plus c. Perpendicular lines m1 into m2 is equal minus 1. Next topic trigonometry. Sin of a plus b is equal sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Sin of a minus b formula is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Cos of a plus b formula is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Cos of a minus b formula is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.